Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon and how's life, everyone? Okay, so today we will explain and answer the question of morphology project final task. But before that, for the first, we will introduce ourselves. Okay, for the first, it's me, Nurhadi Tanallo,
And my name is Jaya.
I'm Nasril.
let's see. Well, for the first word is disembarkation. Okay, I will decide type and subtype of morpheme of this word. For the first, this. This is a prefix indicating negation. Atau this adalah awalan yang menunjukkan kata yang berlawanan dengan kata aslinya. So automatically this is masuk ke bound morpheme. And as we know, prefix this itu dependent word. Maka otomatis dia masuk ke dialectical morpheme. Selanjutnya adalah for the next is embark. Embark is basically word of this work. It is indicating to go on board a ship or aircraft. So automatically ini masuk ke free morpheme, dan karena ini merupakan kata kerja maka dia masuk ke lexical morpheme. And the end is suffix ation. So automatically suffix ation is bound morpheme. Thank you.
Okay, next I will decide the type of the words. Unhelpfulness. Un is prefix. So un is prefix, so it's bound morpheme. So as we know, bound morpheme is cannot stand alone as independent word. So it's the personal morpheme. And her is the root of the word. So her is free morpheme because her is verb, so that's why it's lexical morpheme. And fourth is suffix from the word unhelpfulness, so it's bound morpheme. And the personal morpheme and next is suffix. So it's bound morpheme, and the type of bound morpheme is the personal morpheme. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you.
Okay, the next material is recontraction. What is recontraction? Recontraction terdiri dari yang pertama itu itu adalah bound morpheme, and lexical morpheme. Yang kedua itu contracts, yaitu kata yang bisa berdiri sendiri. Morpheme-nya itu free morpheme.
Belum tahu.
And then Ation itu kata yang tidak bisa berdiri sendiri, berarti morfemnya itu bound morpheme. And the M, lexical morpheme. This. Okay, I think enough from me. Thank you. Okay, the next I want give the answer from number 2, yaitu menentukan root, base, and stem. Yang pertama itu indetermination. Indetermination itu rootnya root and stem. Rootnya itu determine, and base-nya itu determination. And the last stem yaitu indetermination. Oke, kata yang kedua itu adalah pre-registration.
Well, the next word, the second word is pre-registration. I will identify the root, base, and stem of this word. For the first is root. So the root of this word is register. The second is base. The base of this word is registration. And the last is stem. And the stem of this word is pre-registration. So this is the root, base, and stem of the word pre-registration. Thank you.
Okay.
The root is historic. And base. The base of the word is historical. And stem is very historical. Okay, I think enough. Thank you. Okay, next material is number 3. Identify the formation method of the word. So, UNESCO use formation method acronym because United is singkatan from United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization.
Okay, the next I will answer the question from number 3 yaitu metode blending. Blending is menggabungkan dua kata. Salah satu contohnya itu contohnya yaitu ini terdiri dari dua kata. Pertama itu ka, yang kedua itu just. He just ini terdiri dari dua kata, yang ka and he, yang apabila kedua kata ini digabungkan jadi verb. Okay, maybe enough.
Okay, next material is number 3. Identify the formation method of the word. So, UNESCO use formation method acronym because United is singkatan from United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. What's it?
Okay, the next I will answer the question from number 3, yaitu metode blending is menggabungkan dua kata. Salah satu contohnya itu contohnya yaitu ini terdiri dari dua kata. Pertama itu ka, yang kedua itu just. Ini terdiri dari dua kata, yang ka and he, yang apabila kedua kata ini digabungkan jadi verb. Okay, maybe enough.
Well, for the next word is self-isolation. Self-isolation, this is compound. Because there is point atau ada kata tanda penghubung di antara dua kata ini yang menghubungkan combining word self yang dapat diartikan sebagai individu atau diri sendiri, kemudian digabungkan dengan kata isolation atau yang berarti memisahkan atau mengasingkan. So, setelah ada kata penghubung di antara dua kata ini, dia menjadi compound dan membentuk kata yang berarti isolasi mandiri. Then enough for me, and we move to the next material. Thank you. Well, for the next material is tree structure, and then for the first word is unassertively. As you know, the word is adverb because the ending of the word ly, and then we can identify the tree structure. This is adverb, and then kita turun. This adverb and this is affixation. Turun lagi. This is affixation. This is affixation for an and adverb is assertive. And affixation is ly. The second way to identify the tree structure of this word, we can write like that. Okay, as you know, this is adverb. Affixation is adverb. Kita terangkan lagi. This is adverb and this is affixation. So, affixation for an, assertive, affixation ly. Thank you.
Okay, the next question is watermelon farms. So the type of the word is noun and divide then watermelon is noun, farms noun, noun, and then S is for marker S, so this one is affixation. Watermelon, farms, and affixation S. Okay, I think enough for me.
Okay, the next material is irregularity. Irregularities itu menggunakan plural pakai s di belakang. Irregularities itu merupakan noun, terus terbagi jadi dua. Di sini afiksasi AR. Di sini noun. Di sini terbagi menjadi dua. Adjektif afiksasi. Ini ada regular. Afiksasinya itu afiksasi yang di sini itu IR. Dan cara kedua noun, yang kedua noun, adjektif terbagi menjadi dua.
Okay.
Afiksasi di sini adjektif dan di sini afiksasi. Turun. Di sini afiksasinya itu IR. Ini IR. Dan di sini itu regular, yang adjektifnya regular. Ini afiksasi Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Enough for me. Thank you. For the next material is identify part of speech of this word, yaitu menentukan kelas kata. Yang pertama, recruitment. And recruitment itu kelas katanya noun, and a lot itu verb to. Okay, take it out from me. Thank you.
Okay. Well, for the next word, there are two in here. For the first is distinction. Part of speech-nya atau kelas katanya adalah noun. And the second is scientific. Scientific part of speech of this word or kelas katanya adalah adjective. Okay, enough for me. We move to the next word. Thank you.
Okay, we move to the next word, and there are two is beautiful and impressed. And the part of speech of beautiful is adverb, and impressed is adjective. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you.
Okay, that's all explain and answer for our group, and hopefully all of other who watch this video can understand what we convey and what we explain about the material. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.